Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very, very good.
So, guys, for everyone, Charlene and me, we are live.
Yeah.
So many people wanted us to come.
Always, I just woke up at 2.
You just woke up?
It looks like, definitely looking at you, ऐसे लग रहा मैं सो के उठा.
Well, are you tired? Were you working out? Did you like went for a run or something?
I don't know, I just feel so tired today by sleeping too much again.
I think ये सबका मतलब सब लोग का यही हाल है. I think everyone's sleeping patterns and everyone's the whole system is changed.
Yeah.
So, guys, do you have any question for us? You can ask. As you all requested that we should come live, and we've made that happen. So
Yeah,
so tell me, how's it going? How is the lockdown going for you?
I'm just with these boys doing nothing else.
Hi, luck. There's luck.
Yeah. I really wish you and Charlene to work together again. Well, I don't know when's that gonna happen.
Shadi, you want to work with me again?
Me?
Yeah.
Why won't I want to work with you again?
So I am Shah's one of Shah. I'm your favorite, na?
Yeah, absolutely.
Arjun and Riya, yes, guys, only for you. When is Arjun season 2 coming? When is it coming? Do you have any idea? I think we should ask the Four Lines production and star for Arjun.
I told them in the last live session, if you really want the show to come, you should ask Star Plus, you should ask Gorky Max, you should ask Gul Khan, you should ask Four Lines, because they're the right people who will tell you. It's not us.
Yeah, it's not on us, guys. I mean, they make the show. We are just a part of it. So yeah.
I mean, we will work in it if it happens. Don't know when.
खुशबू saying अर्जुन season 3 भाई पहले season 2 तो आने दो फिर season 3 फिर बात करेंगे.
लोगों की अलग-अलग डिमांड.
So we have a pending. Yeah.
अभी तो मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ, you can't get a picture, and I would expect and ask you guys also not to have any pictures with your friends. Stay at home. Let them stay at home.
So we have Mushtaq writing us. Hey, nice to see you guys. Stay safe. You do stay safe, Mushi. A big hug to both of you. Stop raising each other. We love you. Oh, so we have names as Shana, Arya. What are the other names, guys?
यही famous ones यही.
I like Arya actually. I really like Arya. जिसने भी ये create किया है, thank you so much. I love it. I love Arya.
It was done 8 years back. Imagine it was made 8 years back.
8 years back.
Yeah, 2012, the show telecasted.
Damn. Saranya is telling, sir, आप cap निकाल दीजिए. Shalin, would you like to remove it? No, he loves his hair. He will not. And I think it's not made.
No, I'm okay with it. It's just that I'm at home.
Ooh. First boy ever who's saying, I'm okay to remove my cap. Otherwise, guys are so particular of their hair and everything.
Yes, my point is, at home, who does all this?
Shalin Ka Divana says, hey sir. Sonia, no. Guys, you have any question for us? You can shoot. We are happy.
Bad hair day? I have always had bad hair days. I have never had good hair days.
Hey, come on, yaar. ऐसे मत बोल. अच्छे बाल
हैं. मैं अपने बाल नहीं बनाता हूँ यार. I need a hairstylist to do. I can't do it myself.
Someone.
Arjun is the best. So thank you. And you both are looking so much. My favorite couple. Thank you again. Sana, your voice is beautiful. Oh.
Thank you. Actually, there's a huge. I never loved my voice.
Before you comment on it, you shouldn't have left the show, Sana. I have been telling you guys, he did the worst thing to all of us by leaving the show. You can hate him for this.
Yeah, but I was not I was unwell. You know that, right? Why I left the show.
That's not the point. I'm not telling Palase.
Well, you guys are perfect in the character. I mean, just can't mention. Thank you, Ankit Bhatt.
Do you guys watch Ramayana? I have grown up watching that show, brother. So yes, I love that show.
Which one? Ramayana.
Ramayana.
हाँ.
You weren't born then.
Nice to meet you both.
Captain Rajveer. पहली बात तो Major Rajveer था, but thank you. That was another show for me.
I know.
When are you both coming back together again? Well, I really don't know when.
Very soon.
But
I think what.
हो चुके हैं यार 8 साल, अब तो आ ही जाना चाहिए हमको.
We will. Guys, we will.
One thing about Sana. What should I tell you about Sana? Sana is way
A good thing,
too emotional and sentimental.
Yeah.
Like no one knows about her.
He's true.
Yeah, see. If you get a chance to act in Tollywood movies, do you agree it or I will do it any day. Give me an offer and I'm all yours.
Shah, you look handsome, huh?
Thanks. Is that what you were saying or people are saying?
People are saying.
Sana is a bundle of joy. Of course she is. One of your friends, I guess.
I'm a very positive and a happy-go-lucky girl. I love to be happy.
Really want to meet you. Well, I would really also want to meet you guys someday. I don't know when, but really someday. Riya and Lavanya are the best. Sana, I love you. Wow. Both your characters.
Thank you. Yeah, both my characters.
Please say Surat ki Kabiliyat. It's not Surat, it's Aurat ki Kabiliyat. You remember that scene?
Which one?
In which Riya gives it back to Arjun by saying that Aurat ki
Oh, the one in the car, the one in the car, or the one in the office?
The one in the hospital when you go and collect the reports and you come back and you give it back to me and say कि औरत की काबिलियत पे कभी शक नहीं करते.
हाँ. When she removes her hair and she's like, लड़की, हाँ. Don't judge, yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, you remember everything, Shah. It's been so, like, dude.
I'm telling you, I was in love with the show and the characters. I remember everything about it.
Yeah. I mean, come on, it was a wonderful show. Like the day they briefed us, it was so nice. Like I was in love with the character and with Arjun as a person. Like how we've portrayed it on the television. Like like.
I usually don't get to do that kind of shows on Indian television. I think. Yeah.
Captain Rajveer.
I was Major, but yeah, I'm okay. Love you both as a pair. So many people want to see us together, yeah.
We will work together very soon. Inshallah. Yeah. Say Ameen, Shali. Say Ameen. हाँ.
अभी तो बोला.
अच्छा मैंने सुना नहीं. Love you, Sincere. Hey bro, Abhinav Nair. समझे या समझाओ. I think we should do this thing. समझे या समझाओ.
तो एक काम करो ना, you speak it in Arjun style. मैं तो बहुत बार बोल चुका हूँ, everyone does.
But you do it better than anyone.
Let's have a twist to it. Let's just you say it once again.
नहीं, what was this? Arjun Ravte, right? Remember? Oh fuck. So it goes like.
Say it.
समझे या समझाओ.
Oh,
no, I still have the naughty thing in my face. No.
See, I did it in a very weird way. So that was the story behind it, because when I heard that dialogue, पहली बारी किसी अलग तरीके से.
But that was your Takya Kalam, no? That was your Takya Kalam. That was.
Yeah, that was the Takya.
Hi, Shobh. Yusuf Khatri. Hello. Tamanna, really want to meet you, Shaleen. Best. Okay, I love this one. I am Manu is asking best memory from Arjun serial.
What's your best memory? I got a lot of best memory.
Oh, I have a very off-screen memory. Remember we were at this Salt Lake?
Yeah.
And we were in the car and वो drifting हुई थी where the car. It's an off-screen memory, but it's very hilarious and it was very scary. But I think that was the best thing.
Yeah,
It was adventure. Then I really like my dying scene also. That's very good.
You acted really well. The scene was written well. I think everyone was in the moment. It was a very, very beautiful scene. Touching scene though.
Thank you, Sonika. One thing on Arjun. What is the one thing, like, Rapti Sawant is asking us, what is the one thing on Arjun?
One thing on him. What is the one thing on him?
Yeah, that's what even I am trying to understand. Like, a good thing about Arjun? Arjun as a character, or Arjun as a person?
Favorite episode of Arjun? What's your favorite episode of Arjun?
The first. The human trafficking one.
Mine too.
I love the climax of the first episode. It is like that song and that well shot and everything was so good.
My reason was because I started shooting for it on my birthday. So it was the best birthday gift to me.
Oh yeah, I remember we were in Goa shooting that thing.
Correct.
One thing about Charlene, well, Charlene is a good listener. He always listens to me. Mera acha, bura, happy, sad, everything.
Sharad Kelkar is saying, please और weight lose कीजिए सना जी.
Stop. Sharad, please stop it. It's good, okay? I'm looking good, right?
और weight lose किया तो दिखेगी नहीं. फिर मेरे को सिर्फ काली स्क्रीन के साथ बात करनी पड़ेगी.
Guys, stop it.
I am not saying anything. It wasn't my comment.
Where is Lak Malhotra? Tejas Chaudhary is asking, where is Lak Malhotra? Lak Malhotra is busy with...
या तो वो खा रहा होगा या फिर सो रहा होगा. फिर आप गायब हो जाएंगी बस.
मैं तो बहुत ही...
How is lighting so good today? Because after my last live, I realized मेरे सर पे light ही नहीं है. So I didn't know I particularly sad.
Who wrote that?
And I got it. Will you come?
Hi, Neeru.
To Trivandrum. Well, Trivandrum is a very important place in my heart. I started my life from there. The first ever show that I did was Golden in 2006. My journey began from Trivandrum. So yeah, I love that place. I love you so much, Sana. Much of love from Germany. Some German fan of yours. Wow.
I am like really... Okay, now I can see.
What are you doing? Where are you lost?
No, I was actually looking for the questions and then I went really piche. Now I'm updated with the latest. What's your favorite Arya moment? I like this. Annie Sanam is asking us what's our favorite Arya moment.
Our favorite Arya moment?
I think for me it would be the first
one. First one,
yeah. When I'm hiding behind the car and then you come and then I'm trying to fight and then you know that moment when you just twist me around and like that look happens.
That moment actually was shot well. It came out well. The characters were there. The feeling, everything was there.
Yeah, I think that was the very first. Yeah, for both of us. Charlene, do you agree
Someone
with
just asked, have you ever fought on the set? Happy?
Well, he doesn't fight. It's me who's the fight. Like, I always fight with him. For no reason. For no reason, I'm upset. For no reason, I will not talk to him.
But
I think that's just me.
But we ended up together.
Yeah.
No, we don't fight yet. We are good people.
Finally, sharp picture, perfect sound, no echoing. Oh.
What's your birthday plan?
Charlene, there's so many fans of yours. They want you to say hi. I think we should just greet everyone. So many people are saying Charlene says hi.
Hi, Katika. Hi, Katika. Sir, did you watch any South movies rather than Bahubali? I watched a lot of them, yeah. I'll tell you later. Beautiful Diva, Brown Eyes, Sagittarius to say.
Thank you, Sanjay.
Hi, Zainab. Hi, Parth. Hi, Sonu. Hi. Siddharth Shukla. Hi. Change your ID, Siddharth.
Hi, Siddharth Shukla. Hey, Shah, Bebo, Qayyum, sir. So, anything exciting you've been doing?
Me? No, yeah, not really. I've been very boring these
What
days.
is the new hobbies you've
यार मेरी
ventured
पुरानी
out of
हॉबी
yourself?
इतनी सारी है, मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता, नई वाली कहाँ से बनाऊं?
Hello, both of you. Oh, my sister is online. Hi, Behen.
कहाँ? Oh yeah, hi. I can see her.
Keep
Keep
smiling,
smiling.
both of you. Thank you. That was so. Doctor, Aishu. Yes, I am from Kerala.
You from Kerala?
Yes, my sister's on. My mother's from Kerala. I don't have a native place, but I call Kerala as my native place because my dad is from Bombay, my mom's from Kerala, and yeah. So I like to call myself as half Malu. Okay, there's a glitch I feel. Okay, I think there's some problem happened and Shah has to leave the chat. So thank you so much, guys. It was lovely talking to you all. I will try connecting him again. I just did. Let's see.
Sorry. Network calm down here.
Ah, damn. तेरे घर का network भी ना.
Yeah,
Okay, so someone asked us, what is your funniest Arya moment?
funniest. See, I have a problem. Like I've always said, I have a very big problem. Is I keep laughing in between scenes, and when I laugh, it just continues and doesn't stop. उसके बाद सब हंसने लग जाते हैं पागल होते हैं. So I think this has continued a lot of times where even when we wanted to concentrate, we've just been laughing on scenes and we keep laughing on. But otherwise, there have been many funny moments. Yeah, I also didn't even know how to act, so I don't know. I've just been, people have been really patient with me, and I think she might tell you better. What is the favorite funniest moment that you have?
So many. There are so many. Remember the first time I don't even know how to hold a gun. Remember, we were almost locked for it, and we were having a look test.
Yeah, I
And
remember.
then remember that scene we shot like a pilot sort of a thing. I think that was so funny. I didn't even know how to hold a gun. So yeah.
That was that.
I can see you giggling at messages.
Oh, you?
I don't know. I'm not giggling. I'm giggling in front of the camera.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hi, Kusum. अभी भी
So how are you planning to spend your lockdown? Like, what are you doing? Aren't you bored or are you enjoying it?
My hairstylist is the same यार जो मेरे साथ अर्जुन से है सैफ. मेरा हर शो उसी ने किया मेरे साथ. Can we have Arjun do as web series? Please ask Stapler, and we would love to do it.
Yeah, we don't have any objection. We would love to work together, but it's just the makers have to take the call, guys. We are the one.
Ria and Arjun are back. Yeah, or at least on Insta we are back.
At least on Insta. Hopefully you guys have requested us to come live, and yeah, we did it. Finally, we did it.
Yeah, hi Harsha. Say about Gochi, sir. What question?
Shall you should go first.
See, I think he holds a very, very special place in my heart here. He's the one who is the main reason for me to be in the city even now, because I was packing my bags and leaving. He's the one who created the show. He's the one who wrote the characters down. He's the one who's been the brainchild behind it. It's his brainchild, basically. He's super cool. He's super amazing, super talented. He's a rock star in every true sense. He has never shouted, never lost his cool.
Never. Yes, I agree with you.
I think it's a person's dream to have a director to play a part. It's an actor's dream rather to play a part. He's such a director in his first ever show that really gives you the confidence and the morale to stay in the industry. I think I've been blessed to have him.
I think he's one of the calmest and one of the most quietest person ever. I think one thing you can learn from Gurgi sir is how to remain patient. Like, he's so calm, composed. Like, even when things are not going right, he is still so poised and so like, okay, it will happen. So I think I like that thing about him, and
Yeah.
he's a wonderful person. Like, yeah. Hola, Simran Manda, love from Delhi. I hope, do you hear about the news? Delhi had an earthquake.
I just did, yeah, actually. I don't know.
I hope all you guys in Delhi are safe and like everything out there is good. Shah or Harsha Bhatia is asking about your web series. Any
Well,
prank
that's
memory?
30% left to be shot, yeah.
Listen, any prank memory you have? So many, no?
So, what memories?
Prank memory from the sets of Arjun.
I think we've played
So many. You've done so many pranks. Our favorite, we used to play prank on was Sid.
Yeah. Well, like, he was trying to be played a prank.
Sid and Chotu, these two guys were like most played.
But you don't really have to basically work very hard for that. They automatically fall into the trap.
One person you cannot mess with was Bezad. Like, yeah.
I had to mess with him a lot, yeah, because we guys used to stay in the same room. मैंने तो बहुत पंगे लिए.
I watched your show. My heart was broken. Missing you.
Yeah, he's such a prankster. Yes, I am. But even she is no less.
Yeah. Your favorite color, Shah? Dilshad is asking.
Black.
Oh, you like black? I think I love white.
Do you guys miss Arjun set? Of course we do.
Yeah, we do. We do miss.
We got many memories there. I have an album also. So thank you. That's very sweet. कौन सबसे ज़्यादा छोटा है? हम दोनों में सना ही है.
मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ. हेलो, अर्जुन के पूरे सेट पे मैं सबसे छोटी थी.
Correct. सना शालीन की तारीफ करवा.
शाह, तुम्हारी मैं क्या तारीफ करूँ बताओ.
I have no clue. They want to hear it.
Shah is one of my dearest friend. मैं भले इनसे रोज नहीं मिलती रहूंगी, मैं रोज बात नहीं करती रहूंगी, but Shah is someone who's always there, and I know he's always got my back, like always. Like, he's someone I can rely on. And yeah, Shah, you know it, what you are for me. I don't want to say a lot, but with Shah, I like Diksha also. I mean, like, she's that moral support for me as a girl. And when Shah doesn't understand me, Diksha is there to listen to me. And she, like, yeah, mostly Shah understands me, what I'm going through, or what my emotions are. But yeah, like, they hold a really, both of them, they hold a really special place in my heart. Which is your favorite movie, Shaleen?
It has to be Agnipath, Amitabh Bachchan, long back. I think that's one character I would love to play again.
RV is asking, hi sir. Shaleen, can I see you in negative role? Sanket is asking.
I would love to do a negative role. I think I probably will be very soon.
But you've not done it, no? You've done a negative role, no? No, you've not done.
No.
Koi Laut Ke Aayega was negative, no?
Super positive. I was the only positive guy in this show.
What is Sana's nickname? No, I don't have a nickname. What's my nickname, Shah?
You don't have a nickname.
I don't have it. It's so simple and short. Sana. S-A-N-A. Sana. Okay. So you guys can call me Diva Sana. I love that name. I so knew you were going to laugh on this. Why, Shah?
Why Shaleen don't get heroin is almost
Heroin.
I am the tragedy king of 2000s, man. I don't get my heroines ever.
Oh, Kamini2158 is saying you cried when Ria dies. Yeah,
Oh,
I
you
think that
or
was
me?
you.
I too did, but I think even she did.
Huh? What's your
Or she
next
did.
project together?
Next project together right now is Insta Live. Post that you
It's
know.
not a project. It's just a conversation. It's a chit chat conversation. So,
Yeah, but this is the next project. As of now, we don't know about the other project that we will be doing soon.
Charlene ka nickname, I call him Shah because I like to call him Shah. So that's my
Oh, you were the
nickname.
first one. You were the first one to call me Shah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I mean,
but
I
I've
know
always called you Shah. I've never called you Charlene. It's too big
of
for
course,
me.
in my
Yeah.
beginning days, but after that, I think call me Shah.
Thank you, Payal Thakur Singh. Thank you so much. Siddharth Shukla is asking, did you watch Money Heist?
Yes, I did.
You
Any
did? You
chance of
finished? I finished in one day. 8 hours non-stop. Miss Gargi is saying, Shaleen, you don't need to put on the cap. We have already seen your hair, so it's okay.
No, it's just that it's just lying in my hand. But I don't know what.
Laksh Zenith is asking your role model in acting.
Sir, Anthony Hopkins.
Shah Saranya is asking, Shaleen and Sana, who inspires you the most?
Who?
Inspire you the most?
Who inspires me the most? I find inspiration in almost a lot of people. Yeah, I find inspiration in Sana Hopkins.
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of people. I mean, yeah, a lot of people.
Everyone inspires you in some other way.
Yeah, everyone you meet, they inspire you.
You're so cute, ma'am. I agree to it.
Oh, thank you guys.
Arjun,
Such
मिलेगा पहले अर्जुन को मिले
Oh, I like this. Mani Krishna _K is asking, what's your favorite food, Shaleen? Though you come from Delhi. Huh?
Mom's cooked curry chawal. Nothing more.
Oh ho. Going very bland.
Could you
I
please show
thought
us again? The point is, I don't have the best, and I would have loved to show. And I will show you very soon now because third, fourth time.
Thank you, Coca. Ma'am, आपका next season कब आएगा? Guys, I don't know.
Sana, please, औरत की काबिलियत वाला dialogue.
I forgot, यार मुझे याद नहीं है.
औरत की काबिलियत से काम कर सकते.
नहीं, it was not like that. It was like औरत की काबिलियत पे कभी शक मत करना. Oh, I still have that smile on my face. No. Conviction. It won't happen. What's your favorite chill out spot in Delhi? Explore and roll is asking. I'm not from Delhi. I've never been to Delhi, guys. Shaleen is from Delhi. He can tell me.
My favorite spot is, I think there was a cafe coffee day near Taj in our college days, near GMC College. You guys used to be there the most.
Your voice is echoing, Arjun.
Nah, I don't know why. Love from Pakistan and I love your show. Thank you for loving our show. It's
Thank
good
you,
to see our shows crossing borders, being loved by everyone.
Ryan Khalil is saying, guys, I miss ETF. Oh, we also miss ETF and we miss the whole bunch. Like, Bezaj.
I will slap the fuck out of you if you stop posting some Ashleil comments. He's my friend, he does that. And Shaleen sir, your beards, I have not taken care of myself.
Oh, there's this girl which writes Kusum Official. Shaleen, you've inspired me to become a police officer. Oh, how cool. How sweet.
It is, yeah, but it's scary for me also. That if I inspire, it's damn nice. I'm so happy to hear this. If I could allow
yeah, it's so nice, so cute.
Yeah.
Devan
what is your go-to place in Mumbai? Sana, what is your go-to place in Mumbai?
In
Mumbai.
Oh, there's so many places. Like so many places.
What is your go-to place?
My go-to place, like if I am upset, like it depends on my mood. If I'm sad, upset, I like to sit by of, you know, Marine Drive or Carter Road or Bandstand.
Or then it is my place.
Huh?
And then it is my place. If you're sad,
Yeah.
you're upset.
Yes. Yes.
Love from Maldives. I
Alright.
love Arjun. Thank you. Thank you so much for this. Sana, you and Shaleen are my crush. Both of us together.
Yeah, I mean, we can be. Thank you. Thank you,
A
Shaleen
couple
Kidivani.
crush. Have you attended any DU fest? A lot of them, man. I've grown up in Delhi. What do you think?
What is this fest? Like, I've never heard of this.
A
It's
college
in Delhi?
festival.
Okay, college festival.
Hi, Sanket Bhalerao. How are you?
Shaleen, how
How
much
much?
do you spend on your diet and supplements monthly? Tejas Chaudhary. I really like this.
I
I
do
think he
not
does.
take a lot of supplements. I only end up taking protein and nothing else. And
You
I
don't
do
take
not
any
spend a
supplements?
lot
No,
of.
I've never. Yeah.
I just make sure that I exercise regularly. That is it. Please sing a song for each other. You don't want to hear.
नहीं, I
We are
want
good
you.
actors.
अरे वो हमारा पहला वाला सॉन्ग कौन सा था?
Your favorite Tamil movie?
My film. I love my film.
I have an album of you, Shaleen. I would really want to see it someday. That album. Shaleen, your favorite color? Mine is black.
Simran
Yours is
Magdalena is black.
And thank you. Exercise motivation. Only motivation is because I eat so much that I only
Yeah.
motivation to keep this fit that I do not take fat.
My fan club is asking any bad habit of each other.
What's your bad habit?
My bad habit? I don't know. You tell me.
How will I tell you your bad?
No, I don't have any bad habit.
She
Yeah,
is
she
so
does.
confused.
She doesn't keep in touch.
So we have Diksha with us. Yay! What's up, baby?
Nothing much, yeah.
How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
So everyone, this is Shaleen's wife, Tachanan, giving us a surprise live
Quick
chat
visit.
session.
Quick visit.
No, now you're gonna be there. Now you're gonna be staying. Like you're staying.
How will this poor soul be fed?
Favorite show? I had a folder of Arjun's pictures back then. Thank you so much. Lots of love from Ahmedabad. Thank you.
Flora is saying hi, Diksha ma'am.
Oh, she says hi. She's gone now.
Oh, she's gone. Okay.
Yeah. Inspiration for my fitness. You both. I can't be someone's inspiration. Sana is.
Even I cannot. No,
Fit.
I'm not fit. I still want to be fit. Like, I want to have my
Oh,
abs.
that's a
now.
very interesting question. Zubair has asked. What's your weakest part about your about you figured during the isolation period?
What's the weakest part?
Yeah. What do you think is your weakest part?
No, I think, I'm enjoying this isolation time, like this, lockdown thing. I'm really enjoying. I mean, there's no weak part. I mean, I think I've brought up being so independent that it's nothing new for me to do my own things, and it's good. Like people, I mean, you guys live alone. Like you have lived alone before marriage, used to manage things. I think for you also, it's quite like you were independent, right?
See, I think my biggest part that I figured out is I've become way too lazy now. Yeah, I've been pampered way too much by my mother and wife. Then I'm too lazy.
No, I am not. Like my morning starts and then I mean, it's a pretty tight schedule. But I
Favorite
enjoy
Roadies
it.
contestant since you hosted?
Oof.
Oh wow! I think Sujit. Because I was in his PD, I was in his PI. He's lived with me after his show when he wanted to struggle in the city. So I think it's Sujit that way. Priyanka, hi.
Okay. I mentioned your lazy part earlier. Zubair Z.
Yeah. Hi, Diksha man. Diksha is one, but she did say hi, I'm sure. Tell us about your first impression on.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, tell us about your first impression on when you both first met. I think we met, both of us met each other at a reading first.
On?
We did the reading first, no? And then we had a
Yeah,
mock.
we had workshops, no?
No, that's what I'm saying. We first did the reading and then we had a mock shoot. And then we went on the
First time we met was in the mock.
The mock.
When you had come, and there was another girl who was there.
Oh, okay.
It was in Limelight Studios. Remember, on the same day when
Yeah,
we
yeah. Oh, that was the first time. I thought
What's
we
the
directly
first
met
impression
first.
about me? You can say you were 17 then.
Yeah, I mean, I don't have anything particular. Like, I was like, okay, he's an actor. Okay. Like, yeah.
Oh, my first impression was, wow, man. You got so lucky. What a pretty postcard.
I never thought about it, like, yeah,
I
but then
too
when
did.
our readings began, and I was like, okay, अभी इसके साथ काम करना पड़ेगा. Okay.
Oh, thanks.
Waiting for Arjun to भाई मुंबई आया.
शालीन जरा मुनाल के साथ भी लाइव आना और करना अपना साहिल के साथ भी. साहिल के साथ लाइव नहीं आ सकता है मैं. साहिल के साथ मैं बहुत जिंदगी जी चुका हूँ. उसके साथ लाइव मत कर रहा यार.
Arjun sir, Sahil Agarwal is asking, your pen trick was amazing. I think this was one of the best things. Like, this was Gorky sir's idea or Gulman's idea to have the pen?
So I knew the first time I met Gorky sir, I have a habit of picking on anything that I have in my hand. So I got the pen in my hand and I started doing it because I've been doing it since I was in 7th. So Gorky sir said, "Oh, this is good. Use it." That's how we started using it. Hey, Shah, hi Praveen. Say dialogue from Arjun. आप लोग लाइव बहुत कम क्यों आते हो?
क्योंकि आप लाइव कम क्यों आते हो शाह?
मेरा तो जिंदगी का तीसरा लाइव है.
मेरा खुद का लाइक या आई मीन मेरा खुद का तीसरा या चौथा लाइव होगा. बट या आई मीन आई डोंट नो, बट वील ट्राई. जिससे आप लोगों ने यू गाइस हैव रिक्वेस्टेड अस टू कम लाइव, लाइक अगेन वील ट्राई.
हाँ, we will try. मैं आपको इसको क्या है रिप्लाई नहीं दे रही. Can you please ask me again? Sorry for the call. Your favorite cricketer? My favorite cricketer? There are a lot of them.
But the recent famous is like for me, I like Virat Kohli and Hardik Pandya.
Oh.
Like a good bowler. He's a good bowler.
I have a lot of them. I hate cricket so much. I have so many of them. Would you like to go in Khatro Ke Khiladi? Of course, I would like to go in Khatro Ke Khiladi.
Yes, even me, even I would love to go Khatro Ke Khiladi. Though I am not like a khiladi who can play with Khatra.
Oh, someone asked favorite Marvel character. This I have to reply. You reply. Which is my favorite superhero?
I know. 1 second, wait. No, I don't know.
Okay, favorite Marvel character has to be Wolverine. That's my favorite superhero. Charlie, have you tried cooking? Yes. Long back when my mother said you can burn water.
Shah, what's better, married life or single life?
Married life.
Any day better. Oh, come on.
One word to Gulmam. Oh.
I would say an intelligent.
As much as she's talented, she's she's way too sorted in her head. She's way too calm and good. She can look good, think good, and make good.
Yeah.
Real good is laughing. Why is real laughing?
3, do you like to answer this? She's just happy to see us live,
Oh.
My audience is asking, do you like to rap? Do you rap, Shah? No, I don't think so. Shah raps.
No, I used to.
Oh, this was your hidden talent I didn't know about.
I have a lot of hidden talent. Describe each other in 3 words. Describe me in 3 words.
Lovable, trustworthy, smart.
Beautiful, loyal, Hardworking.
I like it. Ma'am, how are you spending your quarantine time? Just being home, watching Netflix, helping my mom, reading. Yeah, that's it.
Reading. You started reading.
Yeah, I started
What?
reading. I do read sometimes, Shah.
Wow. That's good.
But yeah, I've been reading.
He can definitely play the Wolverine character. I want Marvel to read this and give me that. Priyal Gaur, open your hair.
No, this is looking cute.
Favorite cartoon character? Tom and Jerry.
Mickey Mouse.
Priyal is also laughing when you're reading comment. Yeah. What? Yeah. Say something about
Anisha,
Goku and
say.
Shri. Arjun and Riya, please say. Sir, can you open your hair? I don't have any of that. छोटू और श्री के बारे में कुछ बोल दो यार. People are asking.
Chotu, the sweetest person. Shri, the funniest person. मैंने
Chotu
one
was
word
a
में दोनों
docile giant.
But he was the cutest, yeah. Like वो इतना दिखता इतना build, मतलब you know he's so tall and so buildy, मतलब एकदम ऐसे धा. But then he's like he's very sweet and he's like very kind. Like he's very nice. He's very nice.
Yeah, he's
And
a
Shri
docile giant.
is very funniest, very funny and very must.
And he doesn't cry to be funny. The best part is he doesn't cry.
Yeah.
It's also funny.
Automatically he becomes, yeah.
एक तो उसके लिंग का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है ना हिंदी का.
बॉन्ग है ना तो ठीक है चलता है.
Bezzy के बारे में Bezaz is my lifeline from the show. Yeah, we've shared so much of memories together. We've lived in one.
I think anyone out of us, Bezzy was one of the most like you know sorted and not to worry about the world kind of a person.
He still is like that.
Yeah, Unique, Rajesh, Sakshi, Lisa, Shri, Asha. Who are these girls?
They are the women who came into the show after you.
Stop laughing, Shah. Hi, Mr. Bureddi. Good evening. When will season 2 will come? Guys, we really don't know when will season 2 will come. I mean, we hope it comes, but it's really not up to us. And we really
One
cannot...
word about Sakshi. Okay, so Sakshi was played by Mrunal. I think Mrunal is a wonderful woman. Yeah. She's doing
really good in her life, yes.
It's really heartwarming to see the way she is. She's hardworking, talented, following her passion. And the way she's doing good, yeah, it makes me really proud that I'm having to work with her and her.
And more than that,
all
she's
part
very...
of the
But she's always been like she's very humble and she's very good human being, and
Yes.
that's what I like about her.
Did you watch the show after your exit?
Well, I watched till my episodes, and then yeah.
That's why I went.
Hey, don't say that.
When will we get Shana? I think we'll get the picture after the lockdown is over.
Yes, after the lockdown is over, we will.
What is your hobby? I have a lot of hobbies. I love reading. I love writing. I love
Kusum
writing
official saying thank you for inspiring us. Oh,
Thank you, Kusum. If we're happy to inspire you by any means.
thank you. Yeah. Which is your favorite dialogue from Arjun? Monica is asking.
Samjhe ya? Samjha.
Yeah, I think for me also that's the best. Yeah.
Has to be. It was like with the show, this is what was like. Sana, what is your one childhood memory?
Oh, this is nice. So many. I have so many good childhood memories. The best would be my 14th birthday.
14th birthday.
That was special. What is your best memory, Shali? Childhood.
कैसे बताऊं यार मेरे को बहुत fun. Something about Sameer. Sameer is Sam. Sam is Rathod. Rathod is one character just to be Arjun Adura because he's the one who is the foil for the couple. Till the time he asks two questions, I can't answer him. Have you ever visited Hyderabad? Yes, I have visited Hyderabad a lot of time. My brother was working there in Amazon. He still is in Hyderabad. He's working for PepsiCo. So I will be visiting again as soon as lockdown is over.
Hi Sim, how are you?
Srikanth has asked you, what is your best birthday gift? Best gift received?
So far, I think it would be my mom's gift. Like I think every year I look for my mom's birth, like what she has to gift me. I mean that's something very special for me. Like, every birthday she gives me something, and I think that's I look for it. Like that's the best gift. Like it's chota also, but I like it. Like something that I look forward to.
Nice.
Mere question. Priyanka Handwal is asking us something, but can you please ask us the question, because I don't know. What was your question?
सबका रिप्लाई देती हूँ, उन्हीं का रिप्लाई नहीं करती. Why Sana? Why?
प्रियंका जी आप प्लीज अपना क्वेश्चन पूछिए, हम आपको आंसर करेंगे.
Sana, who's your favorite
You
person
have
and
to
why?
come to who?
Is your favorite person and why?
My favorite person. I mean, there are many people. I mean, it's really difficult for me to say one. There are many.
Oh, Krutika and you share the same birthday. Very nice.
Is it?
Yeah, she's saying that.
Oh, this one I like. Okay, your reaction to the past news of you two dating before Shah got married. Okay, kabhi humne like no, we were never dating, guys.
Do you want us to tell the truth?
We were like Tom and Jerry, always fighting.
Yeah, we were never dating.
Yeah, we were never dating, but we were always very good friends. Like very, very good.
How good can we lie?
Sahil Agarwal, so your episode was outstanding. Your style, your attitude, your actions, and many things.
Arjun season 2 kabhi aayega mujhe nahi pata. I really wanted to come, but I don't know when.
Okay, so Priyanka जी का question.
Favorite color, favorite movie.
हाँ, प्रियंका जी जो हम कह रही हैं, हम बहुत टाइम से उनका क्वेश्चन इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. शी इज आस्क्ड कि आपका बर्थडे कब है. शालीन, आपका बर्थडे कब है? अभी आने वाला है
25 मई.
मेरा बर्थडे है 13 जून.
Correct. When will you go to London? Right now,
when will I go to London? I so want to travel, guys. I so want to travel.
Sir, please, Arjun season 2. I think we would do a live session with Guru sir. One quality or thing about each other you like and dislike. Oh, wow. Yes.
One thing about each other. I think
one quality you like about
one thing I like about you, that you always there for me.
Dislike about
always.
You, that I'm always there for you.
Oh, me. Now your turn.
What is the dislike?
There's no dislike about you, Shah.
How can
the one dislike is you're on my face.
Very blunt.
Anything I do right, wrong, you're always on my face.
I think one quality I love about her is she can make you feel as if you've been in touch forever, even when you've not been. She's way too warm as a person. One quality I dislike about her is she doesn't talk to me regularly.
Okay.
25th May is also my grandpa's birthday. Please wish me from my side. Legends are born that day. Your first TV appearance.
My first TV appearance was, I think I did a Disney show called Ishan when I was 15.
Wow. Sir, who is Sikandar? उसके लिए अर्जुन सीजन 2 का आना जरूरी है और अर्जुन सीजन 2 के लिए उसका बनना जरूरी है. Favorite co-star?
Shah.
Ah.
No doubt.
Sir,
Shah.
Sikandar कौन सा मुझे नहीं पता. Who is your best friend?
Shah, तुम्हारा.
Huh?
So Shah always had this thing about me and my friends. I think I will not say anything beyond this.
Yes. One thing you like most about Riya, both of you. Riya as a character, Sana, what do you like about her?
I think her views, that she's very cut straight.
One thing I like about her is that she never gives up. Hi, thank you for loving. I love you back as much as I love.
So I think we should stop.
Hi.
Fahad is saying hi, 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 hi. One word for the cast of Arjun.
Fantabulous.
Yeah, fabulous.
Chances हैं कभी never say never, my brother. I don't know when it will happen, but favorite Arya moment we've already answered.
We've already said it.
Arjun, who is the best in ETF? Arjun Suryakant Rao.
He's just obsessing over himself.
I'm just saying it.
Shah, your favorite one of your shows. Which one is your favorite?
Favorite show?
Which one is your favorite?
I think it has to be Arjun because it was my first show. It made me who I am. And yeah, that can never go. What French character Sana is to you, Shah? Sana is Rachel Green for me.
Oh.
Has to be because there is no other character which you can play as well as you can play Rachel's character.
I'm impressed. Thank you. Thank you. I really love both of you. Thank you, Kusum. We will give you Shana pick very soon once the current lockdown is over.
Will Sana join the cast of Arjun? Yes, she will if the show is made and we've shown her dead make her twin sister comes back. You never know.
No, but maybe like a different concept of Arjun too. Like maybe a different, like, you know.
It can't be a different concept. No, we have to find Sikandar.
Oh. Priya, where is
Beautiful
your birthday?
Sana. Yes, she's beautiful.
Thank you. Are you busy, B?
Are you
As
busy?
Shah
Yes,
says?
Shah says yes, she's very busy. Always busy.
I am
Very
not.
busy. And
Hi.
what French character is Shah to you, Sana? What French character am I?
Ross? नहीं, वो रेचल का बॉयफ्रेंड होता है ना, वो उसकी
Correct.
मोनिका का भाई रॉस ही है ना?
Correct.
Am I right? Because I don't follow
Yes,
Friends.
it is. You are right.
It is.
Monica's brother is Ross.
Yeah, Monica's brother. Yeah, Rachel and Ross. Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. Yeah, love you guys. We love you guys too.
Thank you, sweetie pie Megha. समझे या समझाओ अरमान बंसाल. Okay, I think we should end the conversation here. Thank you
Yes.
so much, guys. Shah, would you like to say something?
Yeah, it's always good to see, because the show ended 6 years back, it started 8 years back. And we love that the show is unbelievable. Yeah. So just keep loving us. It's really good to see you guys loving the same characters that we did playing then. So keep the love coming. We never know when another show comes, when another season comes. And probably we do work together. Mostly in Arjun, if not, then sometime soon.
Somewhere, yeah. Let's just hope for that. But thank you so much, Shah, and thank you guys for having us. Like, you know, thank you so much for requesting us to come live with each other.
Alright, guys, take care. Stay home, stay safe, and we'll do a live session really soon once again.
Yay! Bye, Shah. Speak soon.
Bye, Sana.
So here was Shah for you guys. Thank you so much, and I will come live very soon now. Thank you. Bye, guys.